I was a Chicago police officer for over 7 years. On October 16, 1996, I responded to a shots fired call. I was severely injured, and I became a instant ventilator-dependent quadriplegic. Growing up, my mother would make her homemade applesauce. I would tell her, "Mom, this applesauce is amazing. We should bottle it." And so that's exactly what I did. Our applesauce is all natural with very simple ingredients. It's thick and chunky, and it tastes just like apple pie without the crust. My family shops at Jewel on a regular basis. It's our go-to store, and I believe it's Chicago's go-to store. I started this company 10 years ago from my kitchen. Now I'm in nearly 200 Jewel stores.
Did you ever in your wildest dreams think you'd be talking this way about applesauce?
No, not the way we started.
I've known Jim for 23 years, and he's the most inspirational person I've ever met. A portion of what Jim makes, he gives to charities like the Police Memorial Foundation. It always amazes me that despite all he's facing, he remembers to help other people.
Being able to give back to all the people that have helped me over the years, it's really a dream. It smells phenomenal. It really makes me feel like I'm sharing the spirit of my mother with everyone, and it truly makes me happy.